Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today for class 8 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 48 on Surds. Okay, now we'll see the first question. The first question is, if A is equal to 7 plus 5 root 2, then what is the value of cube root of A minus 1? So we have to find out the cube root of 7 plus 5 root 2. That is the task for us. So what is the procedure for that? We have to take, let us take cube root of A, that is 7 plus 5 root 2. We have to take it as some x plus root y, because it is a combination of rational part and irrational part. Even the cube root, we can expect rational part as well as irrational part. So we have to take it as x plus root y. So we have to do cubing on both the sides. So we have to eliminate or remove the cube root here. That is going to be 7 plus 5 root 2. That's equal to x plus root y whole cube. It is nothing but a plus b whole cube form. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So if you simplify that, it is going to be x cube plus 3a square, that is 3x square root y plus 3x root y square, that is y, plus root y whole cube, that is nothing but y root y. In this case, if at all you see, what is the rational part? X cube plus 3xy. X cube plus 3xy to the RHS side, this is a rational part. 3x square root y plus y root y is nothing but irrational part. So if you make equal the rational part equal, we have x cube plus 3xy is going to be 7. Let me take it as condition number 1. This is the first step or first equation we have to consider. X cube plus 3xy. What is x cube plus 3xy? That is the rational part on the RHS side. 7 is the rational part on the LHS side, right? Now, what is the next step? Next step is, as cube root of 7 plus 5 root 2 is equal to x plus root y. Now, cube root of 7 minus 5 root 2 we have to take as x minus root y. Okay? They differ by the sign. If it is plus, it is minus. Fine. Now let us try to multiply these two. If at all you call it as equation 2 and equation 3, let us multiply 2 and 3. If you multiply 2 and 3 equations, here we are going to have cube root of 7 plus 5 root 2 times cube root of 7 minus 5 root 2. That is going to be x plus root y times of x minus root y. This is otherwise. If you look at the cube root, it is also cube root. Okay, then we can write it as cube root of 7 plus 5 root 2 into 7 minus 5 root 2. Similarly, I'll apply identity k plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So what do you get now? 7 square minus 5 root 2 whole square. This is going to be, here also I'll apply the same identity, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Root by square is nothing but y. That implies cube root of 7 square, that is 49 minus, this is 5 square 25 times of 2. 25 times of 2 is 50. 49 minus 50, that is going to be x square minus y. That is otherwise cube root of minus 1. Cube root of minus 1 is again minus 1. So I can say x square minus y is minus 1. That is otherwise we can say y is equal to x square plus 1. Already we have first equation, that is x cube plus 3xy is equal to 7. If you look at the first equation, that is x cube plus 3xy is 7. Wherever you have y, let us replace that with x square plus 1. So what do you get now? That implies x cube plus 3x times of y, that is x square plus 1. Let me take minus 7 is 0. That implies x cube plus 3x cube here. So overall it is 4x cube plus 3x minus 7 is 0. Okay, now we have to solve this for x value. If you look at that, sum of the coefficients 4, 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. Sum of the coefficients of this equation is becoming 0. That means x is equal to 1 is a root of it. As x is equal to 1 is a root, what will be y? Y will be x square plus 1. That is 1 plus 1, that is 2. X is 1, y is 2. Therefore, what is the required cube root now? X is 1 and y is 2. So 1 plus root 2. Okay. So 1 plus root 2. So x plus root y is now 1 plus root 2. X plus root y value is 1 plus root 2. But here in the question, what is asking me? X plus root y is nothing but cube root of a value. But cube root of a minus 1 he is saying. Cube root of a minus 1. Cube root of a minus 1 is nothing but we have got cube root of a is 1 plus root 2 and again minus 1. That is going to be root 2 because minus 1 and plus 1 cancels. So finally the answer is root 2 for us. Root 2 is nothing but fourth option. Okay. Now we move to the next question. Cube root of 10 plus 6 root 3 plus cube root of 10 minus 6 root 3 is equal to. Here also let us try to take. Let us take cube root of 10 plus 6 root 3 is equal to x plus root 1. Okay. Similarly, cube root of 10 minus 6 root 3 we can take as x minus root y. Now, this is first equation, let me take as second equation. Okay. Cubing on both the sides of equation 1. What do you get? 10 plus 6 root 3 is going to be x cube plus 3xy plus 3x square root y plus y root y. Okay, it is a plus equal to q form. So we can compare the rational parts. That is x cube plus 3xy is going to be 10. That is condition number 1. Next step, what is the next step? Multiply 1 and 2. 1 into 2 implies, what do you get? Cube root of product of these two, that is 100 minus 6 square, that is 36. 36 into 3, that is nothing but 108. That is going to be x square minus y. That implies cube root of 100 minus 8, 108 is nothing but minus 8. Cube root of minus 8 is minus 2. So minus 2 is equal to x square minus y. It implies y is equal to x square plus 2. Now this y value where we have to substitute, you have to substitute in 1. Then what do you get? Let us see. We have x cube plus 3xy is equal to 10. Next, we have y is equal to x square plus 2. This is condition number, we took as some, this is condition number, already 1 and 2 are there, let us take it as 3 and 4. Let us take 3 and 4 equations. This is 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, what you can say? X cube plus 3x times of y is x square plus 2 is equal to 10. So that is x cube plus 3x cube, that is 4x cube plus 6x minus 10 is 0. If you observe here, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So sum of the coefficients is becoming 0. Therefore, here also x is equal to 1 is a root of it. If x is 1, what is y? Y is equal to 1 square plus 2. 1 square plus 2 is nothing but 3. Therefore, x plus root y is nothing but 1 plus root 3. X minus root y is nothing but 1 minus root 3. Sum of these two. If you sum of these two, that is otherwise you can say cube root of 10 plus. The question is cube root of 10 plus 6 root 3 plus cube root of 10 minus 6 root 3. So here we can write for this we have got as 1 plus root 3. For the second one we got as 1 minus root 3. If you simplify root 3 cancels and 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So the answer is third option. Okay. So all have the same pattern, same method of doing. First you have to take the given cube root as some x plus root y. Then cube root of the same differ by sign. 10 minus 6 root 3 is x minus root y. Then the first equation we have to cube on both the sides. Then we'll get some rational part and irrational part. Rational parts we have to make equal. With that we'll have y. Next, by multiplying these two, we will get a relation between x and y. So y value is x square plus 2. That we have to substitute in this y. Thereby you will get a cubic equation. You have to solve it. One of the values of x, we have to choose real values of x. That value we have to take as x. Based on that y we have to find out. So that we can find out x plus root y value. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Cube root of minus 26 plus 15 root 3. Similar model question. Let us take cube root of minus 26 plus 15 root 3 as some x plus root y. X can be positive or negative, so we can take it as x plus root y. Similarly, cube root of minus 26 minus 15 root 3 is going to be x minus root 5. 1 and 2 as usual. Next, cubing on both the sides of equation 1. What do you get? Minus 26 plus 15 root 3, that is going to be x cube plus 3xy plus 3x square root y plus y root y. Rational parts, let us make equal. Therefore, x cube plus 3xy is going to be minus 26. Let us take this as condition number 3. Next, these two, 1 and 2, if you do 1 into 2 implies cube root of this is minus 26 whole square minus of 15 root 3 whole square. That is going to be x square minus y. That is otherwise 26 square is 676 minus this is 225 into 3 is 675. So the result is 1 here. So this is 1. 1 is x square minus y. It implies y is equal to x square minus 1 this time. This is fourth condition. This y we have to substitute in this particular third equation. Let us see that. We have x cube plus 3xy is equal to minus 26 and we have y is equal to x square minus 1. That implies x cube plus 3x times of x square minus 1 plus 26 is 0. That is otherwise x cube plus 3x cube, that is 4x cube minus 3x plus 26 is 0. What will be the root of it? Try and error method. Let us take x as minus 2. If x is minus 2, 4 into minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Minus 3 into minus 2. Let us take plus 26. That is how much? Minus 32. Plus 6 plus 26, that is plus 32. That is 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 is a root of the above equation. If x is equal to minus root 2, what is y? Y is x square minus 1. X square minus 1 in the sense minus 2 square minus 1. That is nothing but 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore, x plus root y is going to be minus 2 plus root 3. Or we can say that as 3 minus root 3 minus 2. Okay? All the three problems we applied there. We applied the standard method. Okay? Now, see the answer. Which is the right answer now? Root 3 minus 2. That is nothing but third option. Okay? So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a good